after 27 hours of travel. It's May the 1st, 2023, and I've just got off the train into Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, where the Francis starts. First of all, let's show you around town. Just follow the backpack straight away from the train station, up a bit of a road, end up going into the walled, the walled part of the city. Hello, how are you? Just waiting my time to get into the Pilgrim office. Very short queue today. I'll have my papers any second now. Thank you very much. Yay! Thank you so much. It's not a bad view, is it, for day one? So let me tell you a little bit about this mega Camino that I'm going to be doing. I'll reveal the whole route probably in a few episodes, try and keep a bit of suspense up with it. But I'm also adding in a few extra difficulties based on a couple of community posts I did about people's fears on their first time on the Camino. The biggest fears were, what if I can't find anywhere to stay? Can I afford to not book up things in advance? So I'm going to try that bit for you. I'm not going to book anything in advance until it all goes horribly wrong and I have to spend the night out. I'm also stupidly wearing some brand new shoes that I haven't broken in. See what happens with that one. I'm putting in an extra 3 kilos in my backpack for no apparent reason, just to see how it is. And probably a few more that I'll put on the bottom of the screen. Don't worry, come on past, Go. What a fantastic place to start. The excitement and the nervousness and the friendliness is all here, just as it always was. It's going to be an exciting time and I can't wait to get started. The albergue then right next door to the Pilgrim office. Very nice. It's not the cheapest, it's double the price of the municipal albergue, but it's got those kind of built-in bunks. So if you really need a quality night's sleep before you start on the biggest walk of the Francis, then maybe that's a good value. A couple of quick shouts out. I met a lovely family tonight, Declan Harrison and family, lovely people. Best of luck, buen camino to you guys. Big shout out as well. Big shout out, who am I? Who do I think I am? Some kind of DJ down with the kids. To Chris from Luton.